Well, for you guys. I'm Amelia J, and if you don't know me, if you don't know us, then welcome to our channel.
Welcome to
Forever Hairs.
The Forever Hairs Challenge family. And we come with a lot of challenges. So the next challenge
the last challenge, if you didn't see it, me and Mom did a scorpion. That gone
She didn't do nothing.
I didn't eat nothing because I licked it. If y'all didn't see that video, it will be in the description.
Okay, so this challenge is we're going to lay out the mixed bugs on the table, and we have to close our eyes and touch one of them to see which one we're going to eat.
I'll give you one and you give me one.
No, Rennie, we're not doing that. Because if I choose one for you, you're going to be like, no, I don't want that one. So, it's only fair to just touch one and then you struggling with it? And we know which one we're going to eat. So, we are going
she's good at these things, so we're just going to do it. Oh my God. I'm scared to see what's in there. I hope nothing don't jump out.
When I got these off Amazon, they was literally saying how it wasn't a lot of them.
Ooh.
It wasn't a
smell.
Yeah, it smells like some kind of seasoning. Right?
We know y'all can't smell it, so.
I don't know what it smells like. It smells like some kind of salt. Oh, it is. It's ready to eat mixed bugs seasoned with salt. No added colors or preservatives. Microwave, dried, and roasted. So we have mole crickets, field crickets, grasshoppers, silkworms, sago worms, salt to maintain freshness. This bag also contains one oxygen bag absorber.
What is that for?
You know that little bag that was in the scorpion last time? Yeah, it's right there.
What do they need that for?
So this is...
They can still breathe?
No, they're dead, but they're seasoned with salt.
What is the oxygen for?
The oxygen thing is to keep the bag fresh until it's open. So this is how it looks, you guys.
It reveals oxygen.
And then as you look at it, you can see the salt is on there. So, what do you want to do?
Smells good.
Yeah, but is it good? Yeah. So, how you want to do it?
I'm not eating a worm, because that creates maggots. And I ain't trying to have no maggots in my stomach.
It's not going to create no maggot in your stomach.
Ugh, don't come with me.
Wow, this is the grasshopper.
Let me see.
See the long wing? I found the grasshopper.
Nobody want to see that, Mom.
Okay, so how you want to do it, Mama?
I'll eat the wing. That's how I'm gonna.
That's if you get it. You don't know if you're gonna get it. What you wanna just get the grasshopper? Because if you get the grasshopper, you gotta eat the whole thing except for its head.
Ew. Ew.
You wanna do that?
No, we're just gonna mix them up. I ain't touching them, so I need to keep.
So how are you gonna eat it?
I'm gonna grab a glove and I'm gonna eat it. I'm yummy in my tummy. Period. And shout out, boy.
Okay,
We're gonna
so
do
grab
this.
yours.
Oh!
You got two of them right there. Grab it.
And we're gonna do the shout out board at the end. I'm not touching it. Only if I had nails like you, I'll be touching it. Ooh, what is that?
That's the grasshopper.
No, I'm talking. What's that?
This one, I don't know. What's this one?
You better be dead.
That's a grasshopper too?
That ain't no grasshopper, I don't think. You need to get.
I think this is a worm.
Touching it.
I really eat a worm.
That got me scared.
Where's the worms? I'm gonna eat the worm.
Well, the worms, they little, so.
That's the worm right here.
Ooh, give me a worm.
So this is the worm.
Mush it! Get another worm. There has to be 2 of each. Because 2 for, 1 for you, 1 for me.
Okay, I'll give you a small one. That's a worm, right? Yeah.
What are you doing? What do you do?
Oh my god, you guys, I have to cut the head off because, like, I feel so bad. I know this is a grasshopper. I know it is because the way the eyes are. Look. And I feel like if I eat him, it's like if I eat him, he feels like I killed him.
Bye.
Okay, so we'll put this one back. No. You don't want that one. So you're gonna go with these 2? And I'm
we're gonna mix them up so then we can see who gets what.
You just said you're not gonna touch them. So which one you gonna do?
You know what? Let me get those dish gloves. I'm gonna get the dish gloves.
She's gonna get a dish glove. What she wash dishes with. But those dirty because they got stuff from when you clean the dishes. Just touch it. It's dead.
No, I'm scared.
Come on.
I'm gonna touch it with a towel.
How about we eat it with something? Like
no, how about I'm gonna touch it with this bag.
How about we eat it with something, like a tortilla or something?
No, that's gonna be nasty. Okay.
But you won't know because you'll eat the tortilla.
Okay, y'all.
And you will eat more of the tortilla than the other one.
Walmart bag. I got my Walmart bag because I don't want to touch it. Okay, I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I'm touching it with the bag. Duh.
I'm not taking all of them out. So you say you wanted the worm.
Okay, so we're going to mix it
No.
up.
Ain't no point in mixing it. We both have a worm and a grasshopper. So just eat it.
But then, what is that?
That's a grasshopper too. You want 2 grasshoppers?
No. One of each. Put that back. Okay, how about this? Ah!
I don't understand why you're scared for when you literally touch animals that is alive.
No, Mom. Those animals at Petco, they're friendly. Friendly.
These are dead.
Okay. That makes them dead. Dead.
So by these being dead,
You don't know if they playing dead.
they not playing dead because they dehydrated, which means that they dried out. They killed them.
So they killed them with a knife.
They.
Wow. So they kill animals with the knife. I learned something today. People, they
No one
kill
said that.
animals with the knife.
Come on, Rennie.
And they
Okay, you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
I have to eat a chip with it. Where's the tortillas?
Ew, you actually gonna eat it with a tortilla. Get me one. I'm just gonna see how this goes.
Or you want to eat yours with a cookie?
No, I'm not wasting my cookies.
Have a grasshopper cookie.
Mom, you punch me.
Okay.
I'll eat a plain tortilla right now. How about that?
No, but the put the thing on there. You want one, Brittany? No tortilla? You can't get no tortilla, girl. Okay, so I got these, the black bean and garlic tostitos.
You ain't making this better.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna put mine right on top. This is the little worm.
Can you eat it first and then I eat it?
No, we eat it together. Come on, because this is what we have to do. This is the challenge. We can't lie on the challenge because then we'll be clickbaiting, and we're not doing that. So.
Can you pick up my worm and can you put it in there?
Just grab it, babe.
No, Ma. It's scary.
Hurry up, we gotta hurry up. Calyx, wake it up. You dropped it.
Now you gotta eat it. What you doing? You munching?
Smashing it down. Come on, Calyx. Boy. I don't know why I think about these stupid things to do. I'll start with a little one.
Look, who wants to join us?
Okay, now I'm gonna pick up the big one.
You ate it? Ew. Nasty. Look, that's a grasshopper. Don't touch it.
Hey, baby.
Oh. Okay, y'all.
Nope. Get your grasshopper. Go ahead, put your grasshopper on now.
Yeah, Mom.
Come on. I'll get the grasshopper too. But you know what? You won't even know it's there when you eat it with that chip. Either eat it or I'll shove it down your throat.
What?
Which one?
Shove it down my throat.
Okay. Open your mouth. Okay, this is what I did with me. Okay, you want to try worm? You want to try worm? Sugar man? Want to try worm?
mean. Shove it down my throat.
The worm, look. The worm's in here. You want to try one? Not right now? Come on, Rennie. You have to hold your end of the bargain. So pick one and eat it with the tortilla.
Just shove it down my throat, please.
I just did and you just threw it out.
Because I didn't want to eat it.
Okay, come on. I'm going to put it in your mouth and I'm going to put the tortilla in there too. You want the worm? That way it's easier. The worm doesn't have any insides.
Okay, that's cool.
I got the one with the worm. Then I just chew it up. You want a cuppy? Where's it at? Go grab his cuppy. So we're gonna get done with this. Cause she has to eat hers. And he wants his cup, but he's coating the bar and his hair is sticking up. Oh, and then we got another one for you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we could get it. Yeah. What is it? That's Cuppy. We're gonna get your Cuppy right now. Mm-hmm. Get the milk out for me. Okay, come on, you ready? Everyone's waiting on you, baby.
What's that?
What?
What's that on here?
Probably a grasshopper leg or something. I don't know.
I'll eat that.
Shit, you didn't drop the...
But I'll eat it. It's little. Little. Eat it. It's little. 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 Little.
Yeah, if you want something little, then get another small little. You said you want the wing, right?
Okay.
Just get the wing then. Cool with that?
What's the wing gonna taste like?
The wing shouldn't taste like anything.
Break the wing
It's
off.
just the wing.
That's the wing.
Yep. Come on. You want me to eat another one with you?
Yeah, you're eating one with me.
This is my what? Okay, look, I got another worm. No, eat it with the thing, so that way it's easy to go down.
I'll just eat it with this.
You have to eat that one too, though. So why not just
I'm
keep
not
it on the
eating that wing.
tortilla?
I'm eating this one.
No, you gotta eat both of them. You're cheating.
I'm gonna eat this one and then I'm gonna eat the other one.
I hit a whole worm. And then I got another one just to eat with you. It's just crunchy because it's a what? A wing. You hear how crunchy it is? And it don't taste like anything because they dried it out. I think maybe it's just the thought of us knowing what it is that makes it nasty.
Yes.
Cause you want a worm?
Okay, guys.
Nope, come on. Here, get the whole thing.
How about I take one bite of each?
How about you just eat the whole tortilla so that way you won't know that you're chewing it? Because I ate the whole worm.
Can I see the thing again?
Which one?
This.
Here, you want this? The smashed
No,
worm
because I
again?
saw a wing. I saw a wing.
There's a couple of grasshoppers in there. She's chickening it out, you guys. What a chicken. Those things, honestly, is crunchy. And
Oh, they got a whole wing right there.
you want the whole wing?
No.
Well, why are you looking for it?
I just want a whole wing so I don't have to eat the two wings.
Oh, but you just said you don't want it. So you want it or you don't? Get it out.
I can't touch it. Okay, guys.
No, go get the wing. We is waiting on you.
18 minutes.
I ate mine already. Come on.
Okay, how about I just eat one whole wing?
Okay, go ahead. Get it out. You have to get it out and eat the whole wing.
This? I'm gonna eat this.
Go ahead, put some.
Okay, first I need some water so I can wash it down like
Oh, what's wrong, baby? I'm sorry.
it just goes
What's
down
up?
my throat. I'm just gonna have this go down my throat. That's gonna not today.
Caleb, you want to try one?
Don't have cake shredded.
Oh, it won't go back. You want me to hold you up on my body?
I'm scared.
She gonna turn into a wing, yo.
No!
Stop it. Eat the other one.
You said I can swallow one wing.
Okay, but you have to chew the other. It's off of one body. Come on. My God.
Just shove it down my throat.
You know what? She completely failed.
Yeah, I failed.
She like have failed the challenge. Because here she's supposed to eat a whole worm, and she didn't knock the grasshopper out of her mouth, but I did put it in her mouth. So,
okay, y'all. That is the end of this challenge.
Comment,
like,
so
and subscribe, and tell me if I cheated. Because I didn't cheat. You didn't even give us any law. I didn't break the law, so.
No.
I didn't break the law.
But it was a challenge, so you had to follow through with the challenge. So,
I didn't break the law.
Definitely let us know what you think. And
we are going to do another video on crickets. So
she's going to fail that one too.
We'll see y'all later. Bye.
See you later.